ua mea I matau tusa. O lea foi ua whaifo ni lapalapa o ngā roa I whangaa. Ua mai a foi o no tātou tuto le riu ni Taua'aoina wata puia mo tātou Pacificezy o langi. Au sunga tai o sauninga, moni le nganga whawhitai. Ia ai mo upu whalai au le nei tai au, ai mese foi ia le tawa ua whai o na saunia le tai au, o se upu whalea nganga fo, tōmu tauina ai, ia nei tai au ma le whama moe, ma mātou talo, a ma nei le atua, hoi pēr ni malosi ni tino, Taua'aoina ni pēr ia le sunga, ia ua whima pātele, I oa le whaalelangi, ia wā lawa le tau suina o le whima le atua. Se teimi ia o na tuatu lea o somutu parapala, se teimi o mui. Ai e tau lea nganga whaalwalo ia, tuina ato e lea uno whaatoni nei, I la o whima chef, o le Pacificezy ia, o le Safotu Pacificezy mani, mo lau saunoanga whaatoni nei tai au. Thank you, Chef.
I would like to welcome all of our distinguished guests, players, to coming to this event today, as well as all the media. Thank you very much for that. As a business, we have been very blessed since the inception over 17 years ago, with continued support from the community in both Samoa and New Zealand. Without their glasses, my apologies for that. With our rebranding and change of our logo, we have made it our vision as a company to serve the community. The love and support that Pacificezy can provide 10 years ago, we started our sponsorship of Pacificezy Safotu. Last year we started our sponsorship of Pacificezy Tepatasi. We would like to recognise and thank the support and prayers from the villages and districts, both Tepatasi and Safotu. As the wise person once said, what is good for Apia is good for today. We would like to take the time to thank you, our valued customers, for support over the last number of years, and also especially in the last 2.5 years, where business has been interrupted with COVID. But with the support of both New Zealand and Samoa, we've managed to come through stronger and from the blessings of our Heavenly Father. I would also like to thank our valued customers at this time in both Samoa and New Zealand for the continued support of Pacificezy. We have got some exciting new changes that will be coming shortly, which I know will benefit everybody in Samoa and New Zealand. I hope to see very shortly both Pacificezy Tepatasi and Pacificezy Safotu playing in the final against each other. Hopefully this coming weekend. And I would like to thank everybody who has attended today, and we are very grateful as a business to be able to support our customers, community and culture and the people of Samoa and New Zealand. Again, thank you all very, very much for coming. This is a very honourable day for Pacificezy. For our management team here, Mr. Daniel Markau, our country manager, and his team here. I'd also like to recognise Luana Resources at this time. Her very keen with their sponsorship, obviously providing the motor vehicles for the tournaments, but also the continuous sponsorship with Pacificezy, which we're looking forward to over the coming years. With the blessings of these uniforms today, I know we will all wear them very proudly in your upcoming games and tournaments. And go out there and win.
tonu ia o lea o tatou o mai se tasi o vaenga tāua ma o le aunga au te nei tai au le marua. O le atu ina atu ai lea whanoa i le whiunga ia maangele Daniel Akau o le country manager Pacificezy ni Samoa. Tepatasi o Taua'aoina.
Hey, hey. Oh. Hey, hey. Oh. Patia. Lua pati. Ngatuia ni vai na tai au ni lua. Ia man malu fia sa ni vai nasu. Ale Taua'aso matu leo. Tunu manatu sa mo montofi. Ia tu sa no fa matafi ia lenga ya mai malo. Sa no fa muia foi fiona pate. Natu da de turismo tu facili ai tato fai bem fanga solo ele tato Taua'aoina aloia mea o tato mea lofa i tawala i toniga so te walau mai whalalo atu i au whiunga chef mahoni tato kusigi ta te whaia le tulanga kuma Natu le la fo tamu mua tato Pacificezy Tepatasi e pe sa noale fonga tato aso le pa o mai le fiona le sunga fa fengainga ya Reverend Malu Sefo ia va te foi le fiona le isa lango fa ko nge mavaenga mai te fua na le wi a sui tu noale le fai masu la wala atu i la fiona pole mangafa ese asutasi pea no sunga e roni e sera ia morsi la fia o tato toniga e luas lima jerseys to se sila mai Yeah, Messi Chris. Yeah. No, Chris, no. You have to hold it up from the volume back to water. Messi Chris. One more. Dentro Messi Tepatasi. Ia sausesi o tato au e watu ia le tato toniga jersey, gospel lima le tato jersey. Solo isi vai no tato trading jerseys. E gospel o tato trading jerseys. Mai lima famone pari di tua ma pari di tua che mai se Pacificezy o tanto shorts e gospel lima foi pea o shorts lima foi e a pea trotinho. Tepatasi e o tato management polo shirts. Lima lewa tofaina mo tato management. Tepatasi patai lo isu pulenga lenga pengafa ese asutasi ese foi a eroni sera ia masane o tanto tlinga o le lei pia le lei foi mo saba ela tanto fio soi va tanto a mai saba